Everyone, good morning sa inyong lahat. Ayan, nandito yung aking grandson. Yan, higa-higa kami. Birthday niya pala ngayon, guys. Happy 10 months birthday. Ayan. Happy 10 months birthday, apo. May apo. Alam nyo guys, may apo na ako guys. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman yung guys. Yung aking grandson. Oh, tingnan mo, look the mirror. Look the mirror. Tingnan nyo, oh, gwapo, oh. Gwapo ba yan? So, yan lang guys ang aming. Ayaw, tumingin ang camera na itong bata na to. Achoo! Chokochu! Achoo, kachu! Ayan yung guys, yung bata guys, ayaw tumingin ng camera. Ayan, tingin-tingnan siya kay mama la. So yan lang guys, happy 10 months birthday. Bye bye.